So now this is the Mocrux Q8 box. Okay, by the side we have the barcode for the app, few description of the app, blood pressure, IP67, water resistance. Then we have smartwatch here. Nothing here. So let's get this open. Let's see. Okay. This is the watch itself. The charger, the charging cable, user's menu. Let's keep this aside. Let's see. Let's see if it's magnetic. Okay, it's magnetic charger. As you can see, let's try and see whether it's come on. Wow, okay, it's on. So this is the menu. Tap. To move between the menu. Okay, let's see how many styles it have. For where's the settings? Okay, push for a long press. Okay, back, nope. Style, let's change the style. Let's change the style to 2. So let's go back. Long press. Okay. Okay, so the back has changed now to this front. Let's try the last back. Nope. Okay. Okay, so this is the last back we have here. So this is all about the Mocrux Q8 smartwatch. Thanks for watching and peace.